Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see how can we execute Ruby programs using the IRB. So here I have opened my terminal in my computer. So in last video we have seen how can we execute Ruby programs from command prompt using the files. So here we are trying another method. So we can execute Ruby using the IRB. So IRB stands for interactive Ruby. So if you type the command IRB here, it will open up a shell. So here this IRB shell we have started here. Here you can directly type your Ruby code and it will be executed after you press enter. So here we are trying a last hello world program. Here we are typing this hello world, puts hello world, and when you press enter it will be executed immediately. You don't have to create any separate file for this execution. So here you can type all the valid Ruby code here. For example, here I am creating a simple variable here, and when I press enter, that name is saved in that variable is printed out, and after that you can simply print that variable here using this put commands. So this is an interactive shell where you can quickly try the Ruby commands without actually creating the files. You can type all the valid Ruby codes here. Even you can use the other modules in Ruby, and you will also get the code completion. Here I have typed a math dot, and I'm getting this auto completion. The features that you get in your code editors is also available in this IRB, and when you press the tab button, this is auto completed, and when you execute that you will get the output. So this is IRB. So you want to try some little code, and for testing purposes you can make use of this IRB instead of actually creating the actual file. So for this kind of things we can make use of the IRB, and in order to exit this you can simply type the exit command, and if you press enter you will exit the IRB prompt, and in the IRB prompt it will show the Ruby version also. This is all about the interactive Ruby prompt, and you will learn more about Ruby in the upcoming videos.